Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And we are on day 2 of Unboxmas, you guys. So, here we go. Here we go. The next thing we're going to order. I don't know. I think I ordered this like before Thanksgiving. I think. So, let's see. I got something from the horse, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a little care guide. And this was packed by Amy. That is too cute. So this is my first item from the brand The Horse. You guys, I want a Loewe puzzle bag. I really, really do. But y'all know me. Over a certain price point, your girl got to really think about it. And I've gone to the store and I've touched them and played with them, but that almost $4 grand is sending me. So for now, until I make up my mind, if I really want it for sure, the horse will do. Okay, so the bag that I got, it's packaged so well, y'all. This bag is really decent quality too. It's thick. Come on, baby. Comes like this. And I got the Clementine, you guys. And I got it in black with gold hardware. I think it came in silver as well. But I got the one with gold hardware. You guys, this bag is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you can smell that. That's that good leather, baby. That is that good leather. Oh my God, I love it. Let me take the paper off for you guys. I'm talking about, this is good leather. Oh, you can just smell that. Put that in the box. And you just open it like so. And it has the two little magnets, the little circles. You can see it right. Girl, right there, the little circles. Okay. And this is the larger size, okay? This comes in a mini as well. I was really debating if I want a mini. I'm still debating if I want a mini. I don't know yet. But I wanted to try my luck with this one because, like I said, this is so close to the puzzle bag, and it will slouch in the middle. So what I heard the girls say is hang it on a doorknob, and it'll help that slouch or whatever come. So I'm not gonna do this right now. It's gonna go back in the box, girl, because you know we're moving. So, but I love this, y'all. Here's one strap. I want to say it comes with one or two. Girl, here's one strap. It just comes with one strap. So this is how it looks on the inside, okay? So we do have a nice pocket back here in the back. And on the other side, put this down. On this side, y'all, there is a, can y'all see, girl? A zipper. Y'all can see right there. There's a zipper back there. And it just says the horse on the inside. I love this, y'all. Y'all, Mom Ambition, I ordered this, yeah, I ordered this like a week or two before Thanksgiving. Mom Ambition has one, y'all. Y'all seen her video, and she has hers decorated so cute. I love it, y'all. Oh, look, when you take the paper out, you see that slouch? Girl, yeah. So when you hang it on the doorknob, yes, ma'am. Like, yes, girl, what? If I don't have to spend a $4 grand, I'm not going to. And this is leather. Baby, look. I love it. I love, girl, yes. Do I need the one with the silver hardware? I mean, the hardware on here is very minimal. As you can see, like, it's very, just here and here. Oh, y'all. Oh, I love it. I love it. Here's the feet on the bottom. Y'all, yes ma'am. This bag was like $200, something like that, baby. For leather, yes ma'am. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, you guys. So this concludes today's Unboxmas. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I'll link everything that I have, y'all, okay? Always link it all. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow.